Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the stadium for your matches within the FIFA mobile game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the FIFA mobile game on your device. And after completing the basic tutorial levels, you will be able to choose your home team and then play any match if you wish. Now, when you tap on the play button and choose your appropriate match that you want to play, you will be able to see the home stadium option. Go ahead and tap on it. And now this will show you all of the different stadiums that you can choose from. You may unlock various different stadiums by progressing further within the game. After you have unlocked enough stadiums, you will be able to make your choice and choose a different stadium for your match. Just choose the one that you wish to select and then tap on the select button, and you can also choose the weather and time of day. After choosing the stadium, you can simply tap on the play option, and now you will begin your match within this stadium right away. And there you have it. That is how you can change your stadium within the FIFA mobile game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.